Cartão, cartão.
Cash.
É nóis, quer?
Good morning everyone. Welcome back to the station. Well, today I'm gonna try something new. The footage from previous I recorded was kind of jitter still. I was still trying to fix the jitter in the action cameras and due to some research and everything, I got to realize everyone's like leave it in auto. But here's a quick room tour. Here's the first video I had when it was, brand new and clean, but this is second morning. So I'm gonna try to vlog and do some content with all auto white balance, auto exposure, everything. Because everyone is like, it's an action camera. You just grab and go, it's an action camera. You don't need to be fixing dials and stuff. Let the computer work its magic. So let's see how it looks after I do production and all this stuff. But yeah, it looks good from here. This is my resort. Let's go to the gym real quick and get some workout done and grab breakfast real quick. And then go check out some sites over here in Rio. But I make my way now to downtown Centro. Go check out this new interactive attraction they have real quick. My Uber bike been waiting downstairs for a minute. So we'll jump on that now. Where am I going? Where's my bike? Where is he at? It's right here. Look at that lobby check-in. My bad. Chris? Yeah.
Aqui não é daqui do Rio não, senhor? Não é daqui não do Rio?
Oh yeah.
É nóis, quer? Atividade. Cadê a câmerazinha? É gringo.
Live your life while you can, our days are all numbered. Rain could cause thunder, but the sun comes after, clearing up the disaster. Isn't it lovely? I ain't looking
God damn.
it's always in front of me.
I mean, he's a pro. That's a fun motorcycle ride. About to hop on this train now and get out to make my way down to Centro. Get my card out. Trick is to just buy a round trip off rip, so when rush hour hits, you won't get stuck. I'll show you guys how I bought my tickets right here. Got 2 round trips. Credit. And red for Brazilian real. The Brazilian real. Enter. There we go. Boom. 2 round trips. First one, gotta wait for the second one. There we go. 2 one-ways to secure the first one, use secure the second. Got the tram system. Wild. I couldn't even truly record. Couldn't record is that because so much music was playing over there for the entrance to the museum. Over here, there's so much music playing, so I want to be copyrighted around. But yeah, we're in downtown Centro. What's the museum name? Amanha. Check out this museum real quick. Oh yeah, it is hot. Oh, some cruise ships over there. Oh, that's Spider-Man. Spider-Man can. If no one can, Spider-Man can. Ticket purchase line. Yes. Ticket purchase over here, right?
Sorry?
Ticket purchase over here?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you, sir. How you doing, guys? That's correct ticket I got? Good ticket?
Yes.
Okay.
YouTuber?
Yeah.
Yeah?
YouTube, yeah.
Oh,
Oh, from
what's your name?
station? Oh, yeah. I'll give you right now. Hold on. For my way. Thank you. What is this? What are we doing inside here? Yeah. You got a cold one? You got a cocoa? How much?
How much? 12.
10?
Oh,
5?
2, 10, mais
15? That's more expensive. That is at 10.
Porque não a piscina abre, meu filho, vocês não entendem. Ela abre, não é mão de peso e nem coisa não. Porque ela abre, ela tem um passamento aqui embaixo, ela fica descavando as paredes, fica descavando, ela vai e abre. Você fica com eu, vai dentro, ela vai fazer.
That cold. That cold.
Sinceramente mal entendido.
cartão,
Cash. Cash, yeah. I'll give you, I'll stay here, I'll drink.
cartão?
Cash? Dinero?
Dinheiro.
Yeah.
É 15.
You can see everything through my glasses, right? Hey guys, I'm streaming through WhatsApp through my Meta glasses live right now. have a POV. I'm not sure if anyone know about this, but you could stream your glasses live through FaceTime on WhatsApp with any one of your friends or anyone. So literally, I'm streaming now. They're seeing. Let me show. They're seeing exactly what I'm seeing now. Let me show you guys. They're seeing exactly what I'm seeing streaming live right now. Look at that. I move my head. They're seeing everything. If you can't see, I think it's a reflection. Oh yeah. Even when I close the app, the speakers in the head in the sunglasses tell me that the glass is still active. The camera is still active even though my screen's locked. Ah, these metal glasses are so dope. Yeah, this is downtown Centro. Central business area of Rio de Janeiro. Am I walking down here to make a left? Yeah. Like Portugal and like Budapest, right? Well, it is Lisbon because they're Portuguese, so they do have the same concept of Portugal. Oh, yeah. My man is saying, I'm not waiting for you. He was like, get the hell out of my way. I'm driving. Yeah, I think I came down here one late night already trying to find San Pedro de Sal. One late night, I was confused. But just so you guys know, I'm talking on the metal glasses and streaming live through WhatsApp, so yeah. Yeah, remember it has the concept of Portugal, so got a Portuguese influence from Lisbon. And Botafogo has like a great, very much European influence as well too. The buildings are like German buildings and all that stuff in Botafogo area. Take my way to this train and get right back to Leblon. They should give me a bucket, right? Now we're back to the evening now for the sunset in Ipanema. See what? Look how crowded that place is. Busy as hell. I'm trying to get a piece of the sunset before it goes all the way down. We're gonna make our way back over here in a second. Let me get some of the sunset right here. Not many people suggest using their cameras down this side, Ipanema side anyway. It's a little dangerous, they say. This is where more the locals and tourists come to hang out together. Look at these dogs. Yeah, look at that crowd over there. It's ridiculous. Like I said, I don't really suggest using the cameras over here. Everybody looking at me like I'm an alien right now. Get to a spot I could record real quick. What's the whole yoga class? Yoga class session. So we can take a picture of that. Come on, no copyright with my situation, bro. Gonna give me a whole copyright situation. Gonna give me a whole copyright situation right now. You know what's crazy? This guy been playing his ass off, right? For the beautiful sunset saxophone, no one tipped. No one tipped it. The whole time he's been here. Go tip this guy some money. Let me go tip him some money. Tipping. No one tipping. Don't be getting the sunset for your social media, no financing that man singing and shit. Tipping. Tip that man some money. See what's going on over here. Oops. This exercise situation. Probably go do me some free workout. Just saying, everybody's working out. A whole yoga session over here in the middle of the beach. It's a downward doggy style. Wow. Here comes my meal right now. Look at that steak. Look at that whole meal right there for the price we getting it at. Yeah, my lemonade came. Our lemonade had no sweetening. The lemonade is like literally squeezed lemon and a splash of water. I take a sip of this lemonade, my entire taste bud got tangy. What is this? 0 calories. I think it's a sweetener. But yeah, I'm about to mess up this dish right now. Okay. Dinner with a bill. Oh yeah, and I forgot the rice and beans. Well, not rice and beans, the beans and a Brazilian wave. I think it's like a wheat crush or something. To throw on top of the dishes.